Hey everyone, it's Cath. Long time no see. I have been offline now for at least a couple of years and have been nervous about getting back doing videos. And I spoke to a good friend of mine, Devlin Peck, and he just said, Cath, just do a video, kind of talk to people, tell them where you're at, and, you got nothing to worry about. So just wanted to explain kind of what happened. Not that I need to, but a couple of years ago, my mother passed away, and she was the last of my parents to be alive. So we had to wrap up her house and her life, and it's been my life as well. It was a house that I had been brought up in, and from being a tiny little girl. So really affected me. And I took a little break and I said, I'll do a video. And then I put it off and I put it off and I put it off. Anyway, here I am 2 years later and I haven't done a video. So want to get back into this space. I wanted to tell you kind of where I'm at, what I'm working with, etc. I've been really busy with client work. Client work's never stopped. There's more work than I know what to do with, which is great. But I had built a Learning Pro Academy, the Learning Pro Academy, a couple of years ago, and wanted to release a couple of courses. Anyway, this has been this whole I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. And what has actually transpired is the last couple of years, the courses that I've wanted to launch, I'm too busy doing one-on-one training with people to do it. So now I've put a stop to it. I'm not doing any more one-on-one training. I'm just going to do my courses so that if someone wants training, I can direct them to the courses. So for those of you who know me, Evolve is my tool of choice, my authoring tool of choice. Absolutely love it. For those of you who don't know Evolve, it's a very robust authoring tool. It's been around for quite a long time. It was built on the ADAPT framework, and I think is a far superior authoring tool than something like Rise. It's fully responsive, and I absolutely love it. And I do a lot of custom themes for people and training in how to theme in Evolve. So that's what I'm going to do a course on, and also kind of advanced building in it. Now, I also use Vyond a lot for my modules, so I'm going to be doing a lot of training in Vyond. And thirdly, I'm very passionate about accessibility. Now, my wife has a disability business that I'm kind of the tech nerd behind it. But the more that I speak to businesses every day, they think they understand accessibility, and there's such a lack of understanding of the basic principles of accessibility. So I want to focus a lot on that. But I want to put a question out to you all. For those of you who know me, how can I help you? What would you like to see videos on? Of course, 2 years, a lot of things have changed in, for example, AI. We've all of a sudden had this influx of different tools, and I use AI all the time. There's lots of different tools out there, creating pictures, creating audio, also ChatGPT and just prompt engineering and things like that. So if there's something that you would like me to focus on, I'd like to do that. I'm going to start doing some live streams, and I have a community that is on Circle that I'm going to be moving over to a different platform. So you'll be hearing more from me, but just wanted to do a very short video and say hello again, let you know I'm here, and get a gauge from you kind of what you would like me to help you with. I mean, I've had lots of people reach out about portfolios and things like that, and I'm happy to do more on that. I have been actually redesigning my website using WordPress, and a tool called Breakdance, which is a theme. Well, it's a theming tool. It's actually blank, but you build your portfolio. So I might do some lives just building. Um, so yeah, drop comments, drop some feedback for me in the comments, and I look forward to doing more videos. And like I said, just wanted to do a short video and let you know where I'm at. I'm alive, everything's good. And yeah, you'll see more of me very soon. Thanks very much for your time, everyone, and I hope to see you soon.